Girl, we gotta make this look. That's fine. We gotta make this shit look. Cause it was flipping over all in the car and shit. Welcome back to Prime Time, y'all, and we got another Zodiac video for y'all. We finna be talking about the air signs. And y'all, before we start, yeah, we done passed 100 subscribers. Like, what? And it hasn't even been 6 months, but alright, I'll see you. Thank y'all for supporting me and liking my videos and stuff, and like, YouTube really been helping me get through the little pandemic. And yeah, I love y'all. Okay, I got my stuff all pulled up, my notes. You know, I got some Panda Express, orange chicken and chow mein and fried rice. So, but I don't want this video to be too long like the other ones, cause the dumb videos is long. But I feel like some of y'all like them. But I mean, I like them too. It's just like, bitch, that shit take time to edit, and I'll be tired. So, the air signs, y'all. The first air sign we're gonna talk about. Hold on. Gemini. Ooh, Gemini. Okay. Just like the other last 3, we're gonna talk about 3 pros and 3 cons of each zodiac sign. And the first pro that I have for a Gemini is y'all are adaptable. Y'all are some adaptable motherfuckers. Like, you could throw Gemini in any little thing and they gonna be able to do it. Like, give them some time, and they gonna figure it out. It don't matter what the situation is, what's the problem, what team, bitch. They might not like it, but they will do it. They are some adaptable motherfuckers. Like, oh, child, they so versatile. Like, I feel like they're just real versatile. Like, anything. And then the next one the next pro I have for Gemini is y'all are outgoing. And I just don't mean that by like, oh, y'all are social, because I mean that in a way of like, y'all are outgoing in a way to like, y'all will literally do anything. Like, y'all are willing to do anything, or like at least try everything at least once. And bitch, don't play truth or dare with a motherfucking a Gemini, cause bitch, you will lose. Them motherfuckers ain't never scared. Don't play truth or dare with them. You will lose. They try everything. They don't care. Y'all, I'll be so hungry. I just got off work, as y'all can clearly tell. And, I was like, what I'm finna eat for this video? And I was like, bitch, Panda Express. Because we talking about air signs. And when I think of the air element, it's almost like I kind of think of a panda on some Avatar shit. I don't know. If y'all understand, y'all understand. Because if a panda had control over one element, I feel like they would have air. In my opinion. Oh yeah, y'all. And they was out of the fucking, what's it called? Crispy almond chicken. I was so sad. Cause like that's my favorite like type of meat out there now. I mean the orange chicken is still bomb as fuck and still the baddest bitch, but it's like that crispy almond chicken was here for me. Okay, the next pro we got for Gemini is persuasion, bitch. Y'all Geminis know how to persuade a motherfucker into doing almost anything and everything. Bitch, y'all know how to do it, okay? Y'all know how to do the fuck out that thing. I feel like when I'm in a Gemini, I find myself doing shit that I don't typically / normally do. And then I'll be looking up like, wow, that bitch really had me like eating sushi. Bitch, I like sushi. But you would do that shit. Because Geminis, they just have a way of talking. And they very good with their words, should I say. Not just very good with their words. They just know how to do it, bitch. Maybe it's, I don't know. Don't. Be careful, bitch. Be careful, y'all. You gonna do some shit. They persuasive. But I found that a good quality because that shit could come in clutch. You know what I'm saying? Shit. Okay. Oh, bitch. Oh, bitch. Okay. Next, we got... Okay, we talking about the cons now. Gemini's gotta be the most indecisive motherfuckers on planet fucking Earth. Bitch, don't you ever ask the Gemini where the fuck they want to eat at. Because, bitch, they don't know. And if they do know, they don't know how to communicate it and say where they want to go. And once they finally do pick, it's like, they're not for sure if they really want that. Because then they get it. They be like, I should have got... It's like, bitch, I don't already spend my money, ho. Like, what the fuck? Child, and I'm not just talking about food. Like, that was just a basic example. But, you know, on a lot of stuff, like, indecisive on careers. It's like, Gemini wants to be everything and do everything. Like, it's like, they don't know what they really want to do. So, it's like, come on now, Gemini. Like, pick something and stick with it, bitch. Like, we don't got all day. But, yeah, indecisive. Second con for Gemini is, oh, y'all motherfuckers are some impulsive bitches, too. Y'all are mad impulsive. And I'm saying this with, like, you know... Okay, let me think of a good example. Geminis, they suck at saving money. Most of them. They suck at saving money, and I say this because they could be behind on their rent, and then they in a store, bitch, right? And they see a cute coat. Girl, they gonna buy that coat, bitch. They will buy that coat. They be like, oh, this coat is cute. Bitch, that coat will be bought. And that rent will not be paid. Listen, like, they just don't know. Like, they can't help it. They're impulsive. They be like, oh shit, this on clearance? I might as well. You know what I'm saying? It's like, come on, Gemini. Now, you know, bitch. You know your car know this dude. Come on. You can't be doing that, Gemini. You need to fix that. And the last con for Gemini, y'all motherfuckers love to gossip. Oh, y'all love to gossip. Oh, bitch. This is why you gotta be careful what you tell a Gemini, bitch. Your business will fuck around and get spilled, okay? Don't be telling them your secrets. That's real bad, Gemini. Y'all need to know. Y'all need to fix that. Sometimes they be gossiping so hard, they fucking around and snitch on their damn self. It's like, girl. Bitch, Gemini always got the tea. They always had the video of the fight. Gemini is the one who know who pregnant. Gemini know, bitch. If you want to know something, go to a Gemini. Because they got the details. I don't know how they know. But they know. Okay? But that's all I got for you, Gemini girl. Boom. Take heed, bitches. Okay, next we have Libra. Okay, we got Libra now. And the pros I got for you, the 3 pros I have for you, Libra, is y'all motherfuckers are charming. Okay? Y'all are charming as fuck. Like, be careful with a Libra, okay? First, y'all be talking about the most simplest thing. You know what I'm saying? And then, bitch, you blink and you naked. It's like, oh my god. Libra. I gotta be careful with you. Libra, we have you all blushing. Got you smiling at the workplace. Because they done sent you a text message. Oh, girl. They just know. Okay. And they mad intuitive too. Okay, this is the second pro. Libras are so intuitive. They mad intuitive, y'all. It's like, hold on. A bitch done got a message. Okay, we back. Yes, Libras are intuitive. Like, bitch, they just know. It's like Libras can almost sense the future, bitch. It's like they be knowing what's gonna happen next without knowing what's gonna happen next. They got a good gut feeling. Like, Libras always trust your gut because bitch is always right. Always right. Always right. Libras be having mad deja vu. Girl, this is Fanta Orange. I was gonna get lemonade, but that lemonade was looking real watery, and I'm like, ugh, like, we just gonna get Fanta Orange. You know what I'm saying? A lot of y'all was like, a lot of friends was like, bitch, you should get chow mein, because I always eat the fried rice. I was like, okay, let me just get half and half. I mean, chow mein decent, but she's alright. But I'm just like, I'm a fried rice type of person. Like, fried rice just hit for me. Anyway, the third pro we got for you, Libra, is y'all are peacemakers. Bitch, you can't really argue with no Libra. They don't, girl. They quick to be like, okay, you're right. Be like, look, babe, let's talk. We can work on this. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know what? I agree. Or bitch, they just not. They don't want to argue. They ain't trying to fight. Even if they know they right, it's like they like fuck it. Okay. They want to compromise, whatever the fuck. I love that about you, Libra. Okay. Now we're going into the cons, Libra. I hope you're ready. Hope you're ready. Okay? Ooh. First con I got for you, Libra. Manipulation. Bitch. Y'all are some manipulators. Bitch. Y'all be manipulating bitches Y'all know how to do it. Y'all can gaslight the fuck out of a bitch. And they will not even know. Y'all too good. Be careful, y'all. Be careful around Libra. They usually get their way. And that's because they be manipulating the hoe. And it don't even be seem like you being manipulated, but they got you, girl. They know how to do it. And then next, dishonest. Bitch, Libras be lying. That's what the L stand for. Liar, bitch. They be lying. Bitch, you take the B out of Libra, liar, hoe. Liar, bitch. They some liars. They know how to lie good, too. They know how to lie good. It be the unnecessary line for me. It's like, come on now. You gotta lie all the time, Libra. Like, I don't know, like, bitch. It is what it is, Libra. It is what it is. You don't gotta lie. Be honest. Woo. And then my third con I got for you, Libra. This isn't most Libra. No, it is most Libras. Cause yeah, bitch. That's what I meant to say. This is most Libras, but not all of them. But y'all motherfuckers is vain. I said it. I said it. Y'all are vain. And I'm not just talking about like, just for so hold on. I gotta make sure I got a napkin because y'all wipe my face because in the Earth sign video, bitch, I almost didn't put that shit out because when I was editing, I saw a motherfucker curl on my fucking bottom lip and that shit bothered me. I almost scrapped the whole video. So I'm like, I need to keep a napkin on me to make sure I'm not looking. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, yeah, I'm not just talking about self, self vanity. I'm talking about like in a partner's friends. Like, bitch, that's what you wearing to the party? You got anything better to wear to the party? I don't know, child. I mean, that's what I mean. But that's all I got for you, Libra. Last but not least, we have Aquarius, the last air sign. It was just Aquarius season. We in Pisces season now. Hey, Pisces. But we not talking about you, Pisces. You next week. But yes, back to Aquarius. Your first pro, Aquarius, is y'all are courageous, okay? Y'all are courageous as fuck. Y'all don't have no problem. Y'all have no problem standing up for what the fuck y'all believe in. I got this last big ass orange chicken piece. But I'm thinking I might have to eat it off camera because I'm gonna look ugly trying to eat it. Yeah, I'm gonna eat that shit off camera. But yeah, y'all stand up for what y'all believe in. Even if y'all nervous, like y'all still like, y'all courageous. You know, Aquarius ain't gonna let no bitch punk though. Period. And y'all very, I'm sorry. The second pro is y'all are self-reliant. Y'all really don't need help with shit. y'all really can really be by yourselves. Y'all like to usually work solo. Not saying y'all don't like being with teams, but just like y'all, if you had the option, bitch, you rather just be alone. And just like, and I'm not saying like a relationship, but you know, needs to do what you gotta do. You know? That's wrong. And the third pro I got for you, Aquarius, y'all are some visionaries. Y'all are visionaries, bitch. Aquarius be knowing what's up. They know what happened before it happened. I was like, damn, Aquarius. How you know? You tell them. I'm sorry. You tell Aquarius that you about to do something, they like, nah, bitch, I don't think you should do that. Cause then this and this is finna happen and boom, boom, bam. And you're like, bitch, how the fuck do you know? Fuck you, bitch, I'm still do what I need to do. And then, bitch, you do what you need to do. And that shit that they just said happens. And you like, I'm for real. It's like, damn. Whatever. Okay, on to the cons, Aquarius. Oh, child. First con I got for you, Aquarius. Y'all are some overthinkers. Y'all overthink the fuck out of everything. It's like, girl, it's not that serious. Like, this is not no life-changing decision, bitch. You're not gonna die if you pick wrong, okay? Aquarius, like, everything, I don't want to say it don't, because y'all don't really care about perfection, but it's like, everything don't need to be right, you know what I'm saying, Aquarius? Like, it's okay if it don't go well. And y'all overthink the fuck. Y'all literally be in y'all bed up all night, overthinking shit, fake scenarios. Just like, wow. Like, bitch, Aquarius, go to sleep. But y'all overthink almost everything, and it's like, ugh. Come on. Ooh. Now this one, I probably should have put this one first, because, bitch, Aquarius, y'all can be some cold motherfuckers. I feel like, I don't want to say y'all are emotionless, but y'all have little to sometimes no emotion when it comes to certain things. And it's like, what the fuck? It's hard to get compassion and empathy from an Aquarius, because they just don't feel like every other sign feels. And it's like, what the fuck? Aquarius be looking at you like, bitch, why are you crying? It's like Aquarius don't understand. They just don't understand, like, when it comes to, can I do it? No, I'm not gonna do an example for this child. Come on. I'm trying to eat. This video, damn. They are cold. Okay, the last but not least is Aquariuses are nosy as hell. Y'all some nosy bitches. Y'all always trying to be in somebody else's business. It's like, yeah, y'all independent and self-reliant, but it's like, y'all always want to know what's going on with somebody else. Like, come on now. Aquarius. So y'all can judge a bitch. Like, you're not even being nosy for the right reasons. You just want to see what's going on. So you can be like, I knew that shit was gonna happen. Like, fuck you, Aquarius. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. Y'all, that's gonna end my air sign video. I'm finna eat this motherfucking last piece of orange chicken off camera because the bitch is big and I'm really finna have to bar that bitch. And y'all, thank y'all for tuning in. Leave a like on the video. You made this far through the video, you might as well like, comment, and motherfucking subscribe. Like, come on, join me in the crew or whatever. And If you agree or disagree, leave your comments in the comment section below. Cause I'll be thinking something. I don't know if you something. My comment section is open, bitch. Comments, okay? I'll be wanting to hear y'all. I'll be wanting to see y'all comments. But yeah, let me know what you think or what you want to add or what you want to take away and why. And I'm gonna catch y'all next time on another Prime Time.